morning, my dear students. Hope you people are very fit and fine. As you know that this is your English period. So now through this video I am going to tell you the short summary of this chapter. In the previous video we have read this chapter, and so in this video I am going to tell you the short summary of this story. Okay, कि ये किसके बारे में है. Okay, so this story is about a red toy train. And the name of this train is Chuk Chuk. So Chuk Chuk was a red toy train. And children, I know you have a lot of toys. So here, this red toy train is like a person. She also talks like a person, and she also think like a person. And in this story, there are many other toys also. So one day a rich man bought the red toy train for his grandson. When Rahul opened his grandfather's present, he shouted with joy. He put Chuk Chuk in the big basket where he kept his other toys. Okay? And who were the other toys? Yes. Jambu, the elephant. The leader of the toys is Teddy, and Mittu, the parrot. Okay? So all the toys tried to talk Chuk Chuk, but Chuk Chuk did not answer because Chuk Chuk is very proudy. Okay, all the children passing by saw it in the shop window. They would stop to look at it and scream, and they say, "What a beautiful train!" And when Chuk Chuk heard these words of praise, it became very proud. So Chuk Chuk became very proudy, and it did not answer. When the toy chatted and played during the night, Chuk Chuk sat in a corner. It did not try to make friends with the other toys in the basket. Okay, so the toys think that Chuk Chuk is very proud. It thinks it's better than us. Then one evening, what happened? One evening, Rahul's friends Atul and Mohan come to play with Chuk Chuk. They made it run many times around the garden, and then Chuk Chuk started feeling tired and sleepy. Then on that day, Atul accidentally kicked Chuk Chuk, and Chuk Chuk went flying into a bush. And there were deep scratches all over its body. Then Rahul said goodbye to his friends and went inside his house. He forgot all about Chuk Chuk. Okay, and then soon it became very dark. Teddy, the leader of the toys, is worried about Chuk Chuk. He said to all the toys, Chuk Chuk has not come. We must try to find it. Mittu, the parrot, said, why should we worry about Chuk Chuk? It does not even talk to us. Then Teddy said, Chuk Chuk is in trouble, we must help it. Then all the toys agreed to look for Chuk Chuk. They went into the garden to find it. They called out, Chuk Chuk, dear friend, where are you? Okay, then Teddy and Jambu pulled it out and brought it back to Rahul's room. All the toys said lovingly, don't worry, Chuk Chuk, we will take care of you. So they cleaned it properly, and Chuk Chuk looked bright and happy again. At the last, what happened? Yes, Chuk Chuk eyes filled with tears. It said, I'm sorry I was rude to all of you. Will you be my friends? Everyone shouted, yes, Chuk Chuk, we will be your friends. Then, at the last, then all the toys lived happily ever after. So, students, पहले क्या होता है, जो रेड टॉय ट्रेन है छुक छुक वॉज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेन. इतनी ब्यूटीफुल थी कि वह बहुत प्राउडी हो गई, एंड प्राउड की वजह से वो दूसरों से ठीक से बातें नहीं करती थी, उनसे फ्रेंडशिप भी नहीं करती थी. फिर कुछ ऐसा होता है कि छुक छुक चेंज हो जाती है और वो सब उसके साथ जितने टॉयज़ होते हैं उनसे फ्रेंडशिप कर लेती है, उसका नेचर चेंज होकर फ्रेंडली हो जाता है। सो दिस इज़ द समरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल लर्न वो इंसिडेंट क्या था, क्या बात हुई जिससे छुक छुक बदल गई। ओके, दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे।